Welcome to the online class. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss on first look at the picture. You will tell me about what we will discuss today. Now tell me what is in the picture? Yes, it's a little cute plant. So, and it is looking so healthy. Do you know from where it gets its nutrients to get healthy? It takes all of its food from where it stands. Yes, dear students, soil. You got it. Today our selected topic is soil. Today we will do postmortem of soil, and to do this, here is Muhammad Abu Naim, assistant teacher, National Year Version School. I know all of you have seen soil around you in the environment. In the picture, it is a kind of soil, and it looks different from the previous one. In this picture, this is also soil, but it is much different from previous two pictures. Now let us know first what is soil actually. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth, or we can say soil is a loose material which is covering the earth's surface. Dear students, we will know more about soil, but before that, let us read the book first, then we will back here in discussion again. So, open your book and go to page 30. Chapter 5, Soil. We live on land. Trees grow on land. Cows, goats, hen, and ducks are also live on land. The loose material covering the earth's surface is called soil. Components of soil. Here's a question you see. What is soil made of? Let us know. When we pour water into the soil, bubbles come out. We also find various components of soil in the glass. Soil consists of rocks, particles of sand, silt, and clay, remains of dead plants and animals, water, air, etc. Now go to page 31. Types of soil. Soil is classified into three groups: clay soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. Now, page 32. Soil can be classified by its color, size of particles, and the substances it contains. The three main types of soil are clay soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. Clay soil. Clay soil is often reddish in color. It is sticky when wet, but smooth when dry. Clay soil has the smallest particles among the three soils. Sandy soil. The color of sandy soil is often pale brown or light gray. The size of particles of sandy soil is larger than clay soil, as well loamy soil. It is dry and feels gritty. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is dark in color. It feels coarse, soft, and dry. Loamy soil contains various sizes of particles. Loamy soil is composed of a mixture of sand, clay, and humus. Decayed remains of plants and animals form humus. Now, page 33, soil and crops. Are there any differences between sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil for growing crops? Now we will know the answer. Water is very important for growing crops. Plants grow in soil and get water from soil. In which soil crops grow well? To know that, go to page 34. Clay soil. The particles of clay soil are the smallest and more compact among the three types of soil. Due to the tiny size of the particles, water drains slowly through clay soil. Thus, clay soil can retain water and is suitable for better plants' growth. This soil contains the necessary elements for plants' growth. Legumes and jackfruit grow well in this soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil has the largest size particles among the three types of soil. Water can pass through sandy soil quickly as well as necessary elements of soil. Because of this, crops do not grow well in this soil. This soil is suitable for growing watermelon, groundnut, small sized melon, or cucumber. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and humus. Due to the properties of sand and clay, it has a tight hold on water and soil elements, but it drains well. Paddy, wheat, maize, barley, jute, or sugarcane, etc., grow well in this soil. Most of the areas in Bangladesh are made up of loamy soil. That's all from book, dear students. Let's get back to our discussion. From book we have seen that soil contains different kind of elements. If we rearrange soil in a jar by layer, we can see that soil contains Gravels are rocks, sand, silt, clay, and dead remnant, and water. Dear students, here you can see a new word, silt. It is nothing but it is a kind of clay. So, what is the difference between them? Look at the picture here. In the circle, a small drop is indicated. This is actually the particle of silt, which you can see without any instrument. And beside the circle, here is nothing in the box because the particle of clay is invisible. We cannot see it without any powerful instrument. Now we will know the different kinds of soil. There are three kinds of soil we know: clay soil, sandy soil, loamy soil. There are a lot of difference among these three kinds of soil. Let's know the difference between clay soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. At first, color. Clay soil is reddish, sandy soil is pale brown or light brown or light gray. Loamy soil, dark. And next, how it feels if we touch it. Clay soil is sticky when wet, smooth when dry. And here, sandy soil is dry and gritty. Loamy soil is coarse, soft, and dry. Now we will know the size of the particles of these three kinds of soil. Clay soil has smallest particles, sandy soil has largest particles, and loamy soil has different size of particles. That means various size. Now we will know another properties which is retaining power of water of these three kinds of soil. Okay, clay soil can retain water tightly. Sandy soil cannot hold water, and loamy soil hold water tightly but it drains well. And here is all of the differences between these three types of soil. You can read it here, and if you face any questions like difference between clay soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, or difference between clay soil or sandy soil, or difference between sandy soil, loamy soil, you can write it from here. Dear students, now we will know which plants grow on which soil. Here, legumes, that is beans like plants, jackfruits, etc., are grow well in clay soil, and on sandy soil, watermelon, cucumber, and groundnuts, etc., plants grow well in this kind of soil. And on loamy soil, paddy, jute, wheat, and etc., grows well in this kind of soil. Dear students, here are some questions from this chapter. Number 1. Mention two differences between loamy soil and clay soil. Number 2. What are the characteristics of sandy soil? Number 3. Why do crops grow well in loamy soil? You will get all of the answers in your sheet which is provided by your school. Now, for example, we'll discuss number 3. Why do crops grow well in loamy soil? And you can write the answer like this. Dear students, now we will know some important words from this chapter. Dear students, you have to listen the pronunciation and follow the spelling of the words, and you have to learn the meaning of all of the words. Okay, the first one, gritty, means sandy. Coarse means having a rough quality. Humus means decayed remains of plants and animals. Number 4, sandy, and which is fully covered with sands. Number 5, loamy, which is type of soil that is good for growing plants. That's all for today, dear students. I hope all of you have enjoyed. I suggest you to learn all of the questions and word meanings from your sheet and practice those by writing on your copy. Inshallah, see you again in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.